Alright, I've showed you my truck in the past, big deal, you know. Beautiful truck, best one I've ever had. Well, today we made a 6-hour journey and came back with that. So this is a color matched A.R.E, either CX or MX, I can't remember, I'll have to look at the tag. So very first thing, we're taking that off, Truck is dirty, again, 6-hour drive. But it is the high top with the window up top. Let me up here and show you that. So in talking to A.R.E, these used to be actual windows, but they leaked at some point, so they stopped cutting an opening for it. But I'm gonna figure out how to seal that and make it to where it doesn't leak. So this is not the carpeted version. I'm gonna do that. Chloe was already messing with the handle when she shouldn't have been. So I showed that in my last video where I took out the handle, kept the step, confused a lot of people. They thought I took out the step, but step is still there, which is part of this setup. You can open it. You've got that. A semi-flush top that still needs to be sprayed. Bed's going to be sprayed. But that's it. After building the last camper, you know, kind of like everything else that you do, if you do one thing after it's done, you realize how you should have done it or how you want to improve upon it, whatever the case may be. And after the last camper build, I know exactly what I want to do on this one. So I just want to show you what the camper shell looked like before we start on anything. Very first thing is we're going to be punching a 2-inch hole in the side of it. And I'll do a separate video on that, but just thought I'd share today's modification upgrade. Screen windows are dark. I couldn't see anything in my rearview mirror. I had to open the sliding back glass, which I've got, we'll just go with the word illegal, tint. And the only way that I could see in my rearview mirror was opening the sliding back glass of the truck, and then could see out a little bit compared to nothing. But that's the setup. Updates to follow. Thanks for watching.